Hi, this is Matthew Almeida. My purpose of making this video is very clear that I want my Goa to be the way it is. Peaceful, where people of all communities, of all religions stay together peacefully and we grow together and we make Goa a state that people can look at. Clean, beautiful, naturally beautiful, people having a good life, people can earn properly, and nobody's suffering because of political motives of some other people. My purpose today of making this video is drawing concerns about certain events that have happened last month, and the question that arises: what is happening in Goa, or what is happening to Goa? गोंयांत कितें चल्लां आनी गोंयाक कितें जाता हाचेर आमी बरे भाशेन चिंतूंक जाय. असेंब्ली सेशन्स चालू आसात आनी ह्या असेंब्ली सेशनान कितें कितें भासाभास जाता, कितें ताचो प्रभाव आमचेर गोंयच्या लोकांचेर पडचो आसा हाचेर आमी जायतो नियाळ करूंक जाय. थोडेच मुद्दे हांव ह्या व्हिडिओन मांडटलो. मोदें इंग्लिशीन उलयतलो, मोदें कोंकणीन उलयतलो. First of all, I want to thank a friend of mine who has given me this beautiful place, a lovely background, right? Otherwise, I come with all weird backgrounds. I know that. So yeah, people are appreciating what I'm doing, and thank you so much for supporting me. So please share my videos with others. Subscribe to it if you have not yet subscribed, and do like my videos. So let's come with the first point. You know, when we look at the Goa opinion poll that happened, we celebrated it on the 16th of January. I wanted to say something about it, but then I said a lot of people have spoken. But there remain certain things that remained unspoken. Before I move ahead with this video, I want to tell you that I join my voice with those voices across Goa who are fighting day in and day out, to preserve the constitutional rights of every individual and citizen here, to preserve the beauty of Goa, the natural beauty, to preserve the communal harmony on Goa, and raising their voice, bringing to light many issues that we Goans are facing. I want to join my voice with also those people who political reservation for the SC/ST community of Goa. गोंयची SC/ST community जी आसा तांकां रेजर्वेशन मेळच्या खातीर, पॉलिटिकल रेजर्वेशन मेळच्या खातीर जी चळवळ सुरू केल्या, तांच्याय सांगाता म्हजोय ताळो हांव एक करतां. गोंयच्या पासत झुजपी, गोंयची सोबिताय राखूंक झुजपी आनी गोंयांत दुसऱ्या दुसऱ्या धर्मांच्या लोकां बरोबर शांती राखूंक झुजपी लोकां सांगाताय म्हजोय ताळो एक करतां आनी ह्या व्हिडिओक फुडें वयता. So my dear friends, talking about Goa opinion poll day, you see, if I show you on the screen how the elections happened, who voted for whom, we will realize that around 43% people, 47% people voted in favor of merger of Goa with Maharashtra. They wanted Goa to be part of Maharashtra, whereas around 53% voted that Goa should be made a separate state. Now, look at Sindhudurg, Ratnagiri, that areas of Maharashtra which are just at the borders of Goa. Are they well developed? How far is their educational system or educational development, medical development? Are they having good hospitals? Do they have good roads? Do tourists visit there quite often? Do they have openness, liberty, and joyful life compared to Goans? I don't think so. So these 47 people who had voted for Goa to merge with Maharashtra, I hope they have realized that they may have made a wrong choice at that time. If not them, if they are not alive, at least their children may have realized that their parents or their ancestors had made a wrong choice. What would happen to Goa if that was so? And then these 53% people who voted that Goa should be a separate state, Are they realizing that we are losing our identity? This 53% who voted that Goa should be a separate state, and because of them today we can say that we are Goans. हे हांच्यांनी जाणी गोंयाक एक वेगळे राज्य करपाक मत घाल्लें, गोवा ओपिनियन पोल जाल्लो तेन्ना तांकां हें सोजमलां काय की बाबा आतांचें जें जनरेशन येयलां, आमची गोंयची अस्मिताय जी आसा ती हूंय तरी नाच जाता. वो ह्या लोकांक लागून आमी आमकां आयज गोंयकार म्हणूंक शकता हें आमकां दुसऱ्यांक कळलां काय. हांव जाल्यार त्या काळार नासलो, पूण ज्यांनी गोंयाक वेगळें राज्य करूंक जाय म्हूण मत घालें, हांव तांकां खूब आभारी आसा. आर यू ऑल्सो ग्रेटफूल टू देम? Or is it that these 47% people who wanted Goa to be part of Maharashtra are still alive, and still somewhere down the line they have that realization that Goa is not a separate state, people are doing too much, they should be merged with Maharashtra also? Or the people who came from Maharashtra to Goa and settled here and were part of those who voted Goa to be part of Maharashtra are still around here? It's a question. Because when I was reading on Wikipedia, it was given there that people from Maharashtra came and settled here. It looks like they have no interest in Goa, except that they want to sell properties and make money. गोंयचे जागे विकून पयशे करप होच तांचो हेतू जाल्लो आसा. तांकां गोंयचें कांय पडलेलें ना, गोंयचे संस्कृतायेचें पडलेलें ना, लोकांचें पडून गेल्लें ना. लोकां मदें धुसफूट घालपाक ते तयार आसात. दुसऱ्या दुसऱ्या वेगवेगळ्या धर्माच्या लोकां मदें धुसफूट घालूंक तयार आसात आनी गोंयचे जागे विकून फकत पयशे करपाक तयार आसात. Is this what is happening? I hope my confusions or my questions don't turn into convictions, because it looks like there are some people around here who still working like Antigons. तांकां गोंयचे संस्कृतायेचें पडलेलेंच ना. तांकां फकत दुसरें भायलेंच बरें दिसता. Are these 47% people still influencing our youngsters? आनी आतां गोंया बरें वयर सरलां. आख्ख्या देशांत पयले नंबर 1 टुरिस्ट जागो म्हणटा तो गोंया जाला. आनी हाका लागून गोंयाक बरें प्रॉमिनन्स मेळ्ळां. गोवा हॅज गॉट this prominence as one of the hottest tourist place, right? Land properties rates are so much high, you can make easy money if you are into property dealing. And now since the whole world is looking at Goa, and who has saved Goa are these people who voted in favor of merger of Goa, feeling little low? Are they having that inferiority complex? In psychology there's a study. Those who feel themselves inferior try to act as if they are superior. आणि हाका लागून आपणाक मातशें ल्हान दिसता, अरे बाबा आमी गोंयाक महाराष्ट्रान घालून वोट घातलो, पूण आतां आमकां दिसता की गोंयाक न्हू, गोंया बरें आसा एक वेगळें राज्य कशें, पूण आमी मिस्टेक केली. आतां कितें करया? आतां आमी प्रूव करपाक ट्राय करया की आमी दुसऱ्याकून अदीक गोंयकार. वी आर मोर गोवन्स देन अदर्स. And this is why constantly some people try to point fingers at people of certain community and try to term them as Portuguese pigs. पुर्तुगेज धुकर म्हणटात तांकां. म्हणजे आपूण चड गोंयकार, दुसरे उणे गोंयकार कित्याक ते पुर्तुगेजां सांगत आसले आनी इतिहास बदलून वांकडो तिकडो करून तरणाट्यांक नाका जाल्लें शिकून गोंयान आयज बोवाळ जाला, चळवळ कशी जाल्या, सगळी शांती बिगडल्या. So these people who are feeling inferior because they were not in favor of making Goa a separate state, but now they must be realizing that it was better as a separate state, and somewhere down the line they are feeling less about themselves, they're feeling low about themselves. Therefore they're trying to prove we are more Goans than the others, and they put a people of certain community and try to put them into, so to say, a bad light, calling them Portuguese pigs. हाकाच लागून काय थोडे आमचे मंत्री बा आसात ते, थोडे आमदार आसात ते, थोडे पॉलिटिशियन आसात ते परतून परतून पुर्तुगेज करतात आनी उगडास करतात. पुर्तुगेजांनी अशें केलें, थोडे अजून अशे आसात, अशें जावंक दिवचे नात, आनी कितें कितें. So again and again, 60 years past now, we are freed from the Portuguese. Are we nowhere to go ahead and develop our state? पोर्तुगेजांनी जायतें वायट केलें, बरेंय केलें. दोन्ही आमी घेवंक जाय. जें बरें आमकां दिल्लें आसा, जें आमच्या समाजाक मेळ्ळां, तांच्यांनीच दिलें अशें म्हणूंक जायना. आमी घेतलेंय बीन तें मानून. वायट जे ते करताले तांचेर आमी निशेधूय मारलो. इतलो निशेध मारलो की तांकां हांगाचे धांवडायले. जाल्यार आतां गोंयां आमच्या हातीन आसा. ताचें कितें करूंक जाय? Our culture, my dear friends, is totally different. I meet with people of different states in Goa. I meet with people of different countries. Almost every day I meet. And I ask them, what do you feel special about Goa? Some of the tourists, foreign tourists who come to Goa, they always say, we have roamed all over India. There are beautiful places. But they feel insecure because of the culture of the people of those places. Whereas when they come to Goa, they feel a different vibe. They feel free. They don't feel like, insecure. They don't feel unsafe. But I think slowly that is also going away. Incidents and things are happening in Goa where people are now made to feel unsafe. So are we developing or are we getting worse? तर दुसऱ्या मुद्द्याचेर वचुया. आतां हालींच फाल्यां आयज 5 तारीख, फाल्यां 6 तारखेर आमचे प्रधानमंत्री गोंयांत येवपाचे आसात. The Prime Minister of India is going to visit Goa. आनी ते येवचे आदीं कितें जालें? एक सुमान फाटीं गेल्या सुमानांत हांव मडगांव वेतालों. वेर नाय पळय, दिसा दिसवडा हें काम चलता. रस्त्यार धांबोर घालतात. लोकांचो कामाक वचपाचो वेळ, ट्रॅफिक जावपाचो वेळ, आनी हे दिसाचे थंय धांबोर घालतात. They are tarring the road during daytime. When it's a traffic time, people have to go to work. ही कामां रातची करूंक जायना. When there is less traffic, can't they do it in the night? दुसरें, KTC बस स्टँड शिफ्ट केलें, दुसरे कडेन व्हेलें. आनी हांव मडगांव गेलो, पयलें हांवें खंय पावलां तें कोणशाक मारून धरलां KTC बस स्टँड. बाबा, प्रधानमंत्री येता गोंयांत, देव येना. जायते जागे आसा. मडगांवांत तुमकां रॅली काडूंक जाय, जायते जागे आसा. फातोड्डा स्टेडियमा भायरूच व्हडलो ग्रावंड आसा फातोड्डा हेजो. तोय मागून घेवंक जाता. सरकार तुमचीच, थंय करूं येता. बस स्टॉप कित्याक चेंज करूंक जाय? ना जाल्यार ते बस स्टॉपाचेर कोण नदर पासून घालिना. Nobody even pays attention to that bus stand. Could have used the ground outside Fatodda Stadium or any other place. Why only the bus stand? Well, it's a rally, of course, but it's not a rally of the Prime Minister. It's a rally of a political party. तर आमी हे पॉलिटिकल पार्टीक इतलो हक दिल्लो आसा की तुमी बाबा गोंयांत जायतें करा, खंयसरूय करा, तुमकां कितें तुमचे कितें कार्यावळी आसात त्यो. KTC बस स्टँड इज अ पब्लीक प्रॉपर्टी. आमची गोंयकारांची प्रॉपर्टी ती. खंयच्या पॉलिटिकल पार्टीची प्रॉपर्टी न्हू की बाबा गेले आनी जायतें केलें आनी लोकांक मागीर त्रास केले. एवरी डे सो मेनी पीपल कम्यूट फ्रॉम द KTC बस स्टँड मारगांव, फातोड्डा. They use the Kadamba bus to go to work, to travel. लूट जाता. ह्या दिसांनी तें शिफ्ट करून तुमी त्या लोकांक त्रास केल्यात. You will have troubled those people. Not only Kadamba, there are private buses also that goes into the other areas of Salsette and the other parts of Goa. तांकां तुमी त्रास केले. दुसरें, बस स्टँडारूच कित्याक करूंक जाय मिटींग? Why only the bus stand? Now, why I am questioning this? When I went there to the KTC bus stand Margaon, I saw that the huge trees which were there are cut. आतां झाडां ऑक्सिजन बा दिता ते जाणा, खंयसरूय झाडां लावंक जाता भायर आनी मागीर ऑक्सिजन मेळटलें, बरें आसा. पूण ती झाडां सोण्यांक, सुकण्यांक घरांच कशीं. दे आर होम्स फॉर द बर्ड्स. रातची येवन सुकणीं थंय बसतात. दुसरें, गोरमी आतां सुरू जातली. जायतो लोक गोरमी जाता तेन्ना ह्या झाडांचे सावळेरी पोंदाक बसता. ते बस स्टँड पावना. गोरमी जाता. ती झाडां मात हालली जाल्यार मातसो वारो कितें तरी मेळटा. At least we get some breeze. We get the shade in the summertime. And in the rains, again, if you stand under the tree, at least you can save yourself from getting wetter. You can save yourself from getting wet. तेंवूय काडलें. कितें करूंक सोदतात? कसलो तरी प्लॅन आसा? KTC bus stand, they cut trees, tall trees, including banyan tree. थोड्या संघटनांक हे वोड खातुरले की बाबा ते उचांबळ जातात. एके इगोर्जे कडे चल म्हणटा. सांकवाळे फ्रंटिस्पीस आसा, तोर आसा, थंय वोड कातुरलो म्हूण थोड्याचे जे थोडे संघटन आसा ते चावले. आपल्या देहाचो जागो अशें म्हणपाक लागले. KTC बस स्टँडार हांव जाणा, हो वोड आशिल्लो. थंय लोक पुजा करी, उजवाती पेटयताले, फुलां घालताले, टिकली लायताले, सूत बांदताले. जाल्यार हे जे आतां वोड कातुरला, ताचेर हे संघटन उलोवपाक खंय गेल्यात? लिपून आसा? कित्याक जाणी हें केलां ते तुमचेच मनीस म्हूण? वाडयतात तुमी तें? सांगचें न्हू लोकांक? झाडां कापूंकूच जाय म्हणून आसा? When you build the Mopa airport, you called it a PPP airport. झाडां लायल्यात काय बरी. मागीर ही कातरपाची कसली गरज आसली? So many times we say our roads are not good. Nobody pays attention. Only when Prime Minister comes or anybody from other state comes or the central government comes or there is a visit from foreign leaders, only then the roads are done. And only of that area. What about others? Are these foreign leaders paying taxes? Are we not paying taxes? Don't we deserve good roads? फुडल्या मुद्द्याचेर या इश्टानो. Let's go to the next topic. Inauguration of statue of Dr. Luis Francisco Gomes, or Francisco Luis Gomes, whatever you can say. A great leader of Goa. 1857 is considered as the independence revolt in India. But if other Indians consider Goa as part of India, Francisco Luis Gomes raised voice regarding the freedom of Goa much before 1857. He was an elected parliamentarian to represent Goa in Portugal. And he said, I come from the land where Mahabharata and Ramayana is written. I come from the land where chess was invented. I come from the land of sages and wise people. And he said, Goa should be freed from the Portuguese and should become part of India. So he was the first Krantikari. बरें दिसलें आमचो गोंयचो मुख्यमंत्री थंय गेलो. जायतो लोक आसलो इनॉग्रेशन करूंक ते. असल्या लोकांची शिक्षण, असल्या लोकांची जाणवाय आतांच्या भुरग्यांक मेळोंक जाय, नाजाल्यार ते विसरतले. पण ताणें एक मातशें कितें वांकडें म्हटलें. ताणें म्हटलें डॉक्टर गोम्स धर्माच्या आड आनी जातीच्या आड आसलो. पूण सारकें पळोवंक गेल्यार डॉक्टर गोम्स एक बरो भावार्थी क्रिस्तांव आसलो. He was a very devout practicing Catholic. Of course, he was against caste system. He was against the discrimination that was happening. जातीच्या नावार जे भेदभाव चलतालो आमच्या गोंयान ओ देशांत ताच्या आड तो आसलोच. धर्माच्या आड आसलो म्हणजे कितें? तो म्हणी की धर्माक राजनितीन हाडपाचें न्हू. That religion should not be part of politics, should not mix with politics. हेच की आमी म्हणटात न्हू, आमच्या देशांत आमचें जें संविधान आसा, आमी गणतंत्र दीस मनयलो. संविधानाची कांय मुल्यां म्हटल्यार ही, इट इज अ सेक्युलर डेमोक्रेटीक रिपब्लीक. आनी तीच मुल्यां सांबाळूंक आमी सदांच चळवळ चालू दवरूंक जाय. पूण जो मुद्दो आतां हांव काडपाचो आसा तो जावन आसा मुखेल मुद्दो हांव हो व्हिडिओ कोत्तां तो. The issue that I'm going to discuss now is the very important issue, which is why I made this video. I'm concerned about the youngsters of Goa. Why? When the Ram Mandir was inaugurated. Now, whether it was should be built or whatever this and that, I don't want to fall in that. If it is a legacy, it's a heritage for many of the Hindus of India, it should be. And that issue was always there. And I think the Hindus deserve to have the Ram Mandir. It has been their right, it will be their right, it is their right. But doing politics in the name of Ram Mandir or in the name of Ram, or be it any religious deity, that's not feasible, that's not okay. That is not okay at all. आता राम मंदिर घेवन कशें पॉलिटिक्स जाली, कोणे ताचेर पॉलिटिक्स केली, कोणाक फायदो मेळ्ळो, हें हांव कांय सांगचो ना. शंकराचार्य जे आसात 4, तांच्यांनी जायतें उलयल्लें आसा, सगळें सरळ सांगलेलें आसा, तांचेच लोकांनी आयकचें. Let people listen to the Shankaracharya. It is there on the news. Let them watch. Find out how politics is made in the name of Ram and Ram Mandir, and who gained from it, and what should have been done, what should have not been done. But what I am going to address now is this. It came in the newspapers that some youngsters put some derogatory posts on social media against the majority religion. Look at the wordings by the news channels, who are, of course, Godi medias in Goa. And day after that, it was shown that more than 350 youngsters from that religion gathered together, caught this boys or boy, and made them apologize publicly in front of cameras. I mean, you made a police complaint, the police are dealing with it. Who gave you the right to hold the law in your hand? It got me very inquisitive, and I wanted to find out what that post was, how derogatory it was. And when I got the post, I'm like, what is this? What was in the post? I don't want to show it here. I don't want anybody else filing police complaint on me or thinking that I am encouraging people to put the post. But if you actually see the post, there's a picture of a masjid, and the caption says this: जब हमारा वक्त आएगा तब सर कलम किए जाएंगे. भाई, उसमें तो ये तो नहीं बताया ना कि किसका सर कलम होगा और कौन सर कलम करेगा. And then how the majority people of majority religion got affected, I really don't understand. There is no mention of Ram in that. There is no picture of Ram Mandir in that. And what do you mean by majority religion? In Goa, the majority are Hindus. In India, the majority are Hindus. So of course, Hindus got offended. Why? What was there in that? If you really want to discuss this, let's come on, discuss. I can show you the post and let's have a discussion on that. And if you think putting a picture of a masjid, you relate it to your own issues, and then you take it as if like, they are trying to threaten you. What should I say about a man in whose background was a statue of Parshuram, and he said that in his hand there is an axe and an arrow, and in the hand of Ram also there is an arrow, and he says we will not keep quiet. रामाच्या हातीन बाण आसा, परशुरामाच्या हातीन कुलाड आसा आनी बाण आसा. आमचो वेळार आमी ओगी रावचे ना. हाकाय आतां एक धमकी कशी आमी घेवपाची? ह्या भुरग्यांनी जो पोस्ट घालिल्लो ताका तुमी धमकी कशी घेतली? So should I take the words of that person also as threat? Should we also make a group and demand apology? कितें चल्लां आमच्या गोंयांत, especially the youngsters. Now I am also young, maybe not that young, I may be little older than these people, आनी तांच्याकून मातसो व्हडलो म्हणून हांव तांकां कितें सांगूंक सोदतां. हांव जेन्ना कमेंट मागता न्हू, तेन्ना येतात ते झुंड येता आख्खें, द फूल gang comes, the full, like, what you can say, a herd comes together, and you are this, you are that, तूं हें तुमी अशें तुमी तसले, आनी ते धर्माचेरूय येतात आनी ते समाजाचेरूय येतात मागीर. आनी मागीर गमोन येता की बाबा हांकां कोण कितें शिकयता. यू कॅन मेक आउट हू इज टिचींग देम वॉट. आनी आयज सारके वयल्यान सावन पावर मेळटा न्हू, फोर्स मेळटा वयल्यानसून, ताका लागून आनीक कोत्तात. आमच्या गोंयान एक पद्दत आसा, जे व्हडले आसात न्हू ते धाकट्यांक मातशें कितें तरी सांगतात, आपल्या जिविताचो एग्जाम्पल दिवन कसली तरी एडवायस दितात आनी सदां ती एडवायस दितना अशें स्टार्ट करतात, आमच्या तेंपार. So in Goa, we have that tradition, no? We give advice to the youngsters and we always begin by Amcha Tempar. So I want to give some Amcha Tempar advice to these youngsters. Baba, Amcha Tempar, आमी स्कुलान आशिल्ले, दुसऱ्या दुसऱ्या धर्माचे लोक आशिल्ले, म्हाजे जे इश्ट आशिल्ले, हिंदू आशिल्ले, मुस्लीम आशिल्ले, आमी बाराबोर वाडल्यात. आयज पासून हांव म्हाज्या हिंदू जी शेजारी आसात वो दुसरे इश्ट आसा तांगेर चतुर्थीच्या वेळार डेकोरेशन करूंक वचप. आदी आमी नेवऱ्यो पासून करूंक कितें दुसरें हें आसा तें करूंक आमी आदार करूंक येतालीं. आयज पासून वयतात. आयज वेळ मेळना जाल्यार तांकां विश तरी करूंक वयतात. इस्कॉलान आसतना आमच्या शिक्षणाचेर आमी ध्यान दिताले, इस्पेशली सायन्स मॅथ्स हें सगलें. आनी आमकां मोरल सायन्स पिरियड आसताली. तेन्ना म्हूण तूं खरें मोरल सायन्स सगळीं वांगडा आसतालीं. एंड बिकॉज आय स्टार्टेड इन अ कॉन्वेंट स्कूल आनी जायतीं आमची हिंदू पासून आसा ती कॉन्वेंट स्कुलान शिकले आसतलीं. क्रिस्तांवांक स्पेशल कॅटेकिझम म्हणून आसताली पिरियड. तेन्ना क्रिस्तांवांक सेपरेट व्हरप आनी हिंदुवांक आनी मुसलमानांक सेपरेट व्हरप की बाबा अशें जावंक जायना की आमी आमच्यो आयडियोलॉजी आसा ती तांचे ठोकतात म्हणून. अशें जावंक जायना म्हणून सेपरेट करताले. पूण न्हू आमीच आमचेच मदें इवन टील टुडे आयज पासून जे दुसऱ्या धर्माचे म्हजे इश्ट आसा, हिंदू आसा, मुसलमान आसा, वी डिस्कस रिलीजन ओपनली विथ इच अदर विदाउट फिलींग ऑफेंडेड. बिकॉज वी फील, my generation people feel that we are rational beings and we can question. हांव मानता म्हणून दुसऱ्याक मानूंकूच जाय अशें ना. ही समजोणी आमकां आसा. कित्याक जाणा, कित्याक तसल्यो टिचरी आनी तसलो समाज त्या काळार आसलो. म्हाका हेंवूय खबर आसा, म्हजे एक इश्टीण आसली, ती भटाची धूव. शी इज अ डॉटर ऑफ अ हिंदू भट. And I would ask her questions about Hinduism because they are the ones who study the scriptures. So her brother was there who would be, of course, the Bhatt. So I would ask him, म्हणजे तुमचे पुराण कितें, वेद कितें, भगवत गीता कितें म्हणटा, रामायण कितें म्हणटा. ताणी म्हाका रामायण आनी भगवत गीताची कॉपी दिली, गिफ्ट कसो. I also gifted him a Bible. And we would openly tell each other, I don't agree with certain things with you. He would also tell me, I also don't agree with certain things of your belief or whatever this and that. And we would discuss. If there's a time today, we meet and discuss. Till today, we discuss openly without feeling offended. बाबा आमची धर्मीक भावना हर्ट केली म्हणून सगळ्या जोरीतोर हे दुरीक बांदूंक लागले. If you start building the wall, a false wall of religious sentiment, you are not going to be rational. You are not going to understand why others believe what they believe in. I've been insisting on this, that having a deeper understanding about each other's religion and religious belief is the best way to maintain communal harmony. When I did my graduation, I took up philosophical subjects. I was studying world religions, and part of that was a tour to different places of worship. हांव मंगेशी गेलां, थंय मठ आसा. थंय गेल्या ते मठांतले जे स्वामी आसात तांचे कडेन आमचें उलोवप जालां, भासाभास जाल्या. जे महाजन आसात तांचे कडेन उलोवप जालां, धर्मा बाबतीन, देवळा बाबतीन, इतिहासा बाबतीन, आनी जे तांचे मान्य जे आसात ताचे बाबतीन आमी तांचे कडेन विचार करताले. मस्जिदेनी गेल्या, नमाज कशें करतात आमी थंयसर बसल्यात. मागीर थंयचे जे वेर्ना जे मस्जिद आसा थंय गेल्ले आमी. थंय जो मौलवी आसा ताचे कडेन उलोवप, कुराणमध्ये, बायबलमध्ये कितें सिमिलॅरिटी आसा कितें ना हाचे विशीं शोध करप. गुरुद्वारान गेल्यात, ते कशें प्रार्थना करतात, कितें करतात, कित्याक लागून करतात हें विचारप, ओपनली विचारप. आनी तेवूय मागीर आमकां विचारताले, तुमी क्रिस्तांव कशें कितें करता, कित्याक मानता. आनी आमी एकामेकाची मान्य सजमतात म्हणून आमी एकामेकाक तो रिस्पेद दितात. वी रिस्पेक्ट इच अदर बिकॉज आय अंडरस्टँड वाय दे बिलीव. आय मे नॉट अग्री, but I respect. That is something that we need to inculcate. अरे वी गोवन्स हॅड दॅट मॅन. आताचे जे जनरेशन येता ते कसले जनरेशन जाता ते हांव नको. पोत्तून तुमकां हांव वत्ता ऑन द रिजल्ट्स ऑफ द गोवा ओपिनियन पोल वोटिंग. Look at who voted for whom. Which are the areas in Goa who voted in favor of merger with Maharashtra? And also, if you want to look through the eyes of religion at this, that also you can do. You can find out people of which religion voted in favor of separate statehood for Goa. हांव जाल्यार ते धर्माचे नदरेन पळयचो ना. I will not look at it through the eyes of religion, because I know people of various religion got together and they voted in favor of separate statehood for Goa. पूण कोणाक इतिहास खबर ना, सगळे धर्माचेच नदरेन पळोवंक सोदता, तांकां सांगता हांव, पळयात, कळटलें. आनी आयज गोंयची शांती पिड्यार करूंक धर्माच्या नांवार गोंयची शांती जे पिड्यार करतात ते खंयच्या वाठारांनी येतात तेंवूय पळयात. आनी हाचेर मातसो नियाळ करात. आनी ह्या बाबतींत कितें करूंक जाय ताचेरूय विचार करात. तांकां भायर धांवडावंक जाय अशें हांव म्हणना. म्हाका दिसता एकामेका लागीं आमी जे भाशेन वागतालीं पयलीं, एकामेकाच्या धर्मीक भावनांक हें करून रेस्पेद दिवन, पूण म्हाकाय उलोवचो एक हक्क आसा तेंवूय मतीन धरून बारीक बारीक पिची पिची खबरो घेवन पॉलिटिशियन बरे मातशे वारो घालतात म्हणून उसडोन कांय फायदो ना. गेटिंग पफ्ड अप by the encouragement of certain political personalities or parties and going to such a third class extent that you try to divide the society of Goa. To close this video केले, खंय उलयले, सोशल मिडियाचेर घातले, फेसबुकाचेर घातले, हेच केले म्हणून जायना. We need to do something concrete, म्हणजे in action. आता ते इन एक्शन कितें? आमकां आतां गोमून येयला की हे EVM जे आसा, इट कॅन बी मॅन्युपुलेटेड. आय एम युजींग द वर्ड कॅन बी. वाय? जाला डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन जाला, येयल्ले ते केम ऑन द 2nd of February इन मारगांव एंड इन म्हापसा, दाखयलें डेमो करून, आनी तांचें सांगलें इलेक्शन कमिशन जे आसा तांच्यानी 50 EVM दिवचे, आमी ते करून दाखयतात की बाबा वोटींग कशें मॅन्युपुलेट जाता. आनी हें मॅन्युपुलेट जर तर जाता आनी वोटींग चलता तेन्ना EVM मॅन्युपुलेट जाता जाल्यार तोच लोक निवडून येतलो. आनी हे लोक जे आमच्या समाजा मध्ये धुसपट घालतात तेच पोत्तून निवडून येतले. आनी हें जें चल्लां तें चालूच उरतलें. ताका लागून सगळ्यांनी हातबोट घालून आदार करचो आनी जाता ते भाशेन आमी डिमांड करचें की बाबा येता तें इलेक्शन जें आसा तें बॅलट पेपराचेर जावचें.